FAD and Ceru are in this partnership. It's 1 year now since this program started to provide emergency support for the survivor.
To prevent and respond to intimate partner violence in this country, and also ascribe to gender-based violence as well.
We have built a referral network that we're strengthening. It's more of a sustainability approach where different stakeholders are in that space.
Civil society organizations in Uganda complement to government's work. However, when it comes to prevention and response to gender-based violence, there is limited commitment from government. The Domestic Violence Act implementation must be going on, but there are no resources. So you find duty bearers, many of them are not trained. Yet we've moved away from GBV just being a problem, it's a crime. And these institutions must actually commit. And then of course the other silent one, many of the duty bearers, even the leaders, are perpetrators. Especially if it's a man who is a perpetrator, women programs, he trashes.
You have to address gender-based violence from a very holistic approach. And so the referral network is very key because everybody brings in something different. The police, the social workers, the civil society, the legal institutions, each partner, each stakeholder brings in a different strength that contributes to ensuring access to justice, service delivery is achieved. From the civil society aspect, social accountability is very important. But civil society also is holding different leaders accountable in different ways, in terms of service delivery, in terms of participating at the conversation of who does what, in terms of managing and monitoring. And if they're not part of this process, then we're losing out. Because civil society can close, but governments stay.
But of course also the documentation.
Yes.
Evidence and what works.
Yes.
Because we really pay attention even to the small things. So this really helps to enable government, for example, to have the statistics.
Yes.
And once the statistics are there, they can plan better and even commit resources at the national and even the district budgets.
Although it's still something we're struggling with.
I know.